Alrighty, Pengu North is unlocked, but we volcano 2. Ooh. Alright. This looks pretty relaxed here. Oh. Hello, crash. We're gonna crash so many times. Forgot to press B. I pressed A. Interesting. Not a great start to this run. Can't believe we messed up already, but I mean we did, so better believe it. We'll have a title later in this one. I'm considering if it is faster just to I don't know if we actually really go anywhere with the tidal waves, because it's like the waves are just like not good here. Oh, okay, tidal waves, tidal waves. Oh, I could have done another move there. This is one of the ones that I'm not really sure how we're gonna play. Because I am struggling to get up the wave this time. This is gonna be one of the worst ones. This is not going well. You have to go off the wave here, but the wave is just really hard to. Oh my gosh, we got another one. This one much shorter. Okay. Hello, dude. We couldn't even get it. Like, I couldn't get it to work for me there. Oh, yes, this run is so bad. We're just not good. We're just not, like... Oh, wow, look at that. Well, we have the point objective now. We just have to figure out how to get up on this wave and... Wow, that was not good. Nice.